that's his decision. I don't want to talk much about that. I'm a good friend of his, and I just wish him good luck. And the team is now here. We have what we have now, and we will fight. Yes, of course. We know in front of us are 4 very important games, and we have to practice really hard this week to improve our game. We have some things we have improved, especially on defense, and I'm looking forward to those 4 next games because we have good chances to win, but for now we just have to focus on our practice and get better on few things we didn't do well in last 2 games, and prepare well for the especially next game for Joventut to win that game, and we go game by game. I feel great. I mean, I know I can guard from 1 to 4, so he can use me everywhere. I just want to deserve my minutes through defense, and we'll see. I'm happy I played last game, and I'm looking forward to continue and play as much minutes as I can. Yeah, I think a little bit. We lost a little bit of rhythm, and we couldn't practice 10 days because we were without our few guys that were important for us. But I mean, I don't care much about that. We have now 1 more week to prepare. I think we can do good things. I mean, of course, I can also play offense, but I mean, as a young player, I want to deserve my minutes through defense, and from good defense will come even better offense. So that's my mentality right now.